as these tasks go, there's always challenges. So we replaced the exterior door handles. They were just in kind of rough shape, I guess. One of the biggest reasons was because these were actually a pretty cheap price, I guess. So Jason got two, one for each side. And they're garbage. They're crap. Okay, they're not that bad. But they are. So first off, they don't come with bolts. Nuts to go on these bolts. And they are a different dimension than, say, the original bolts. So I had found a pair of nuts that actually fit, but as I was tightening this one up on the car, we had all sorts of problems. So I've had to go ahead and tack these in here. As you can see, they're just a pressed in dealie here, and they've got some little teeth on them that are insufficient, likely just because it's made out of cheap metal. Another problem I had is these little guards that go up underneath. They actually cover this part here, but these were engineered completely wrong. What's the best way to show you here? So we have one on either side, and you can see there's a relief on the bottom of the original one, and this went like this, and there was a little nubbin in here that's supposed to get centered and locked in there. I had to cut that off so that I could make it work on the new ones, because they put that relief on the wrong side, and things are just a little bit different, so these don't fit nice without a little bit of modification. Anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and tack these ones up, and I'll clean up the welds so that these will fit on there nicely, and hopefully we'll get our door handles installed properly, fully today.